Tuning the saxophone is an incredibly easy thing to do that is often not executed properly. If you will always tune your saxophonist on a written F sharp, you have the greatest chance of success of having their instrument in tune. The way you tune the instrument is real simple. The mouthpiece only moving on the cork. You either can push it in or pull it out. Sometimes you have to be careful that sometimes the cork is too big to get the mouthpiece pushed in far enough, or sometimes it gets too small and worn out, and then you can have problems. In that case, you should have it taken to a repairman and the cork fixed. But only move the mouthpiece on the cork to adjust the pitch. Always use a written F sharp. Frequently in band and wind ensemble, we are using everything in the key of B flat to tune with. I encourage you to also use a concert A, which is going to allow your alto saxophones to play their F sharp and be playing that's a concert A. And again, give them the best chance of success to being in tune. You can also have the tenor and soprano sax, if you're using a soprano sax, play that same written pitch, the F sharp. So they're going to be playing the same exact note on the page that the alto saxophone is. Even though it sounds differently on those instruments, it's going to sound like a concert E, which is going to be a perfect interval away from the tuning pitch, but that's okay. Because it's a perfect interval, they'll be able to hear just fine and continue to adjust. If you also use a B flat to tune in your band, which certainly for the brasses, they're going to want that pitch, that's fine to have the saxophones also play on that. Just be careful that they're not adjusting on that pitch. They should be adjusting the pitch at that point with embouchure and ears as opposed to mechanically adjusting it with the mouthpiece. If you take care to always make sure your saxophone is tuned on this written F sharp, no matter which instrument they're playing, you're going to set up your students to have a lot of success and give them the greatest chance of playing in tune.